In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Webflow in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's head over to the Webflow website. If you haven't already visited it, you can simply type webflow.com into your browser. Upon reaching the homepage, the next step is to find the button that says "It's free." Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to a new page where you can create your account. Here you have the option to register using your email and set a password, or you can make the process faster by signing in with your Google account. Once you've signed up or logged in, make sure to create a unique password if you haven't already. This ensures your account remains secure and personalized to your preferences. After you have your account all set up, head on over to the homepage and select the site you want to work on. Remember, loading times can vary depending on your internet speed and the performance of your computer, so be patient as it all gets loaded up. Now that you have your chosen site open, the real fun begins. Look to the left side of your screen for the panel that says Add Elements. Clicking on it will give you a menu of items that you can place on your canvas, but what we're interested in here is the text block. Once you find it, click on the text block and drag it to your canvas area. With the text block placed, it's time to go to Settings. You'll want to change the font size to fit your design scheme, so adjust it to what feels right for your project. Next, turn your attention to the Backgrounds option. Click on it to explore more customization features. Inside the Backgrounds menu, locate and click on the Image and Background settings. This is where you can bring in the visual dynamism of gradients. Go ahead and click on the option for a linear gradient. Now comes the creative part. Choosing your preferred gradient style, select what looks best for your vision, and then tweak the settings according to your aesthetic preference. Once you're happy with your gradient style and settings, it's time to pick the colors. Click on the color picker tool to choose the colors that will define your gradient. This can be a time of experimentation, so feel free to try several colors until you find what fits your design perfectly. Finalize your choices, ensuring everything looks just how you want it to. Lastly, with your gradient text all set up and your page looking amazing, don't forget to publish your work. Click on the Publish button and then choose Publish to selected domains to make your gradient masterpiece live on the web. And that wraps up our quick guide to gradient text in Webflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.